Okay, this is one helpful guide for one place that a lot of people don't know of. Here, I'll put up the volume. Here you go. So, you guys know, you guys know where this place is, right? There. I'm gonna tell you how to get over here. This little place over there. A lot of people don't know how to. So this is one helpful guide for those you people. Okay, I'll show you how to get over there. So all you have to do is go to this place right here. Simple as that. Okay? So then you'll see this. And let's see if you go down towards... Wait, I think I passed it. I think it's right here. Let me see. Nope. So then over here. Okay. Read carefully. It's blurry. Well, it says platform for trains to Anville town. Okay? So let's see. So you just obviously go down here. Here. Down here. Then you go inside. Take off. And ta-da! You're here. All in a couple seconds. So, and as you can see, now you're over there. See? That's all you have to do. You start from here, and you went all the way to this place over there. Okay? I hope that helped. See you around.